welcome back, peer structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is June 22nd, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be June 23rd, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions that you guys have, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Again, we would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, guys, let's go ahead and move into the analysis for the London session. So for S&P 500, you can see up here on the chart here, we are a little bit above level of resistance. 42.3950 is the level of resistance. Do want to see if we can pull up to our next level. Our next measured move is somewhere between 42.56 to about 58. Right into that area is where we should see a little bit of resistance and potentially a pull back down. So we'll see if we get that opportunity. But right now we did round out and we are above those 39.50. So if you're not long yet, maybe look for a pullback and a minor hold right here at 39.50. If not, look for this thing to come back into these 25.25s and then try to pull up from there. If we get below 25.25, you could potentially see the market try to drop off into our levels below 42.0750, and then we got some levels below that. I got a little bit of a wider level. We'll put this one kind of in between, but 41.8575 could potentially be a level of support, and then below that 66.75, and then right around 60.25 as more of a minor level. In fact, I'll take this one off. Don't really need that one, but 66.75, below that 41.4650, and below that 41.2450. Let's go ahead and move over to a smaller chart here on S&P for you guys. So you can see if we move over to S&P 500 right now, you can see what we're looking to try to do. Let me try to just delete this off here real quickly for you guys. So we can see that we're looking for the market to either bounce here as support 42.3950 and then continue to move back up from there, or try to pull down to a deeper level 42.2550 and then try to continue the bullish move from that area. Now we get below these 25.50s, we are going to look for the market to try to pull down into a little bit of our deeper levels here. And I'll mark off that, well, we got it right here actually. Mark off those 42.0750s as the next level down for support that we potentially could see the market hold right in this area. Below that again, 41.8575. But that's going to be our trade opportunities right now, bullish. So we do want to continue with that movement, that trend movement, that bullish trend movement there. So if we are, again, my first level is going to be maybe these 39.50s is a minor level, more of a major level, looking for those 25.25s as support underneath that. With that said, let's go ahead and take it over to the gold charts here real quickly for you guys. So for gold, slightly in a range. You can see we're right at resistance, 1783.2. Want to see if we get a nice double top here. If we do, that's going to be a nice opportunity to look for a continued short into the middle, right around these 76, 77s, and then down below support at 73.9. Really want to see the market try to get through that level. If it can't and it bounces, that's going to be a long opportunity right back up to the middle again, and then to the top part of 83.2. Above that resistance, 86.5 is the next level of resistance there, so we want to keep that in mind as we continue to trade. So if we push through 83.2, look for the market to try to head into those 86.5s, and then above 86.5, 1790.7. Supports underneath 73.9, 1769.6, and then 1765.4. Let's go ahead and move over to a smaller chart for you guys. So you can see the first level of rejection happening again right here. Want to see a nice pullback again and fail. That's where I will look for a nice short opportunity coming off of this range. Again, wider range, 83.2 as resistance, 73.9 as support. Again, you're going to sell high and you're going to buy low in these ranges, and you're going to try to stay away from the middle unless you can clearly understand the moves from the middle of the range. If you can't, again, best to look for the exhausted areas and then try to short it or go long from that area. So again, support down here at 73.9. We're going to look for that bounce, maybe a nice double bottom, triple bottom, and then look for a move right back to the upside, to the middle, and then to the top of 83.2. Again, to reiterate, 1786.5 is the next level of resistance, and above that, 1790.7. Supports underneath 73.9. If we just fall right through, we are going to look for the support down here at 69.6. And if we continue to fall through, our next support is 1765.4. That potentially we could catch some support off of. So we'll look out for that for gold. Let's go ahead and take it over to crude oil for you guys. So for crude oil, still in a nice bullish trend. Haven't necessarily got into the measured move up 73.67 yet. Again, we did a nice triple top right at this level, fell back down. Tried to pop above, couldn't get above and hold support to continue to move. So instead, we fell right back down to the support underneath. So around these 72.71s, that's where our support is. Actually, you can take this down just a little bit further because we came just a little bit further. So move this just a little bit further down. 72.57 is where our support is, right at that area. So want to see if we actually continue to hold that support. So if we do, we may look for this market to try to hold it right here and then bounce up from there for a nice continuation of the bullish trend. Now we may go into a range, so 73.20 is our resistance right now, and again above that 73.67 as the next level of resistance. Let's go ahead and move it over into a smaller chart on crude oil for you guys as well, so you guys can see. So again, you can see where we're currently at here on crude oil. We did fail a couple times right at that level of resistance, 73.20. So we do want to see if we get that failure again. Now, if we're going to continue along, we really want to be on top of this 73.20 and hold the support, and then continue to 73.67 and through that level. If we can't do that, again, look for those rejections to fail these 73.20s, and then you can look for the move right back down into 72.57. Below 57 is 71.90 as the support below that. So if we just go right through 72.57, look for the market to head down into 71.90, and then look for a double bottom move off that bounce area for a continued bullish move to the upside. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. If you guys did like these videos or do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, again guys, please go ahead and subscribe. We would love that from you guys. Any questions that you guys have, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Again, if you're struggling to find consistency in trading and to find success, feel free to come onto the Pure Structure Trading website, become a member, take some coaching sessions with us, take some coaching programs. We'd love to have you guys part of Pure Structure Trading to help you guys find that consistency in trading. Other than that, guys, if you guys continue to trade tonight, make sure you guys trade well.